see the cute moment. Pastor Tobi Adeboyega gifted Chioma a Gris elephant Niloticus Crocodile Birkin bag worth 70 million naira.
My pastor!
Big boy.
First time in the HQ. That's
Hey. Oh,
Thank you.
Then I'll present the certificate specially because you can't carry it through the border without this because it's full crocodile. We didn't let them cut it.
Big boy.
my pastor!
Big boy.
First time in the HQ. That's
Hey. Oh,
Thank you.
Then I'll present the certificate specially because you can't carry it through the border without this because it's full crocodile. We didn't let them cut it.
Big boy.